I have reviewed a ton of headphones since starting here on YouTube, but never a pair of headphones from Blackview. So today we're going to open up these FitBuds 1. I'm going to show you what comes in the box, and I'm going to share with you what I think about these workout headphones. Leisure headphones? Athleisure and comfortable sports wireless headphones. So these actually run on a Qualcomm QCC3034 chip. Sounds impressive. It has 24 hours of continuous playback, noise canceling, and hi-fi stereo sound. They're obviously designed for exercise, why there are these little nipples and, hooks. It takes me a while to figure out how to actually put them in my ears. But once in there, you're going to see me do a shake test, and it is exceptional, to be honest with you. These are obviously ideal for exercise. They also have a single button press function, so you're able to take calls, forward music, reverse music, all done through one, the function button, and two, your volume up and volume down buttons. Inside the box, we obviously have our headphones, but we also have this nice little Blackview faux leather carrying case. Inside this box, we have more tips. Generalized large, small, medium tips for the ends of our headphones, along with our user guide. I'm not going to open them up just because I don't want to lose them. But we also have different size, let's just call them ear hooks, which is nice in case you have small ears. Which, funny enough, you guys are going to hear from my wife a little bit later because she was the one that encouraged me to check out these headphones because she has what we like to call baby ears. So yeah, the rubber part wraps around your neck. There is that single button function right there. We open up the charge port, which is a USB-C port. Kind of nice to see on headphones nowadays. We also have our volume up, volume down, or forward and backwards buttons when listening to music. We have our light, and on the right-hand side is actually where our microphone is also located. As you guys can see, they fold up really easily, kind of easy to beat around, throw in the bag. And here's what I like about the size of these headphones. Compared to other in-ear buds, they kind of are easy to not get lost being in a bag. I don't know. I have lost and refound those Bluetooth headphones that you saw right there multiple times. It's nice to know that if I am working out to throw these in a bag, they're not going to get thrown to the bottom, and I know what I'm looking for. There's also magnets on each end to help without tangling right there. You can see. So if they are connected, they are not going to tangle, which is also super nice. Also, if you're running and you take them out, they're not going to fall off your neck. So just like any other Bluetooth device, reading the instructions is super important. But all we're going to do to pair is go into our settings, hold the button, and FitBuds 1 is going to show up. And then that's it. We're connected. So let's talk comfort. I went with the large ear hooks and the large bud nipples, and they fit really well in my ears, unlike anything else that I've ever had. You can see here I'm doing a shake test, but there's a lot of weight on the rubber band function button neck. I'm also actually wearing the headphones at this point in the video completely incorrect with the wire wrapped behind my ear. Now the thing is, it's totally doable, and they fit semi tight in there, but right here. So what I've learned is that I actually put them in incorrectly the first time that I had them in. I had the cord running over my ear, which still technically worked, but I do believe this is the correct way with controls on your right hand versus your left. And they fit really well. Ah! There you go. You live and you learn. Another thing these headphones have is aptX HD audio. So let me show you what that sounds like if you were to, say, make a call and talk to somebody using these headphones. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is the microphone test for the Blackview FitBuds 1. I will say they are very comfortable. The shake test was pretty impressive too. Could not shake them out of my ears. Twisting them in does feel a little bit different, and they don't fit 100% in one of my ears. I can't tell if it's supposed to be completely tight in or a little bit loose in. They're not going anywhere though, but one is definitely looser than the other. It might just be based on the ear cup size. But yeah, this is the audio from the FitBuds 1. Tell me what you think in the comments. That's it. So, real question. Did you think that they were going to be more expensive than $39.99? Because that is all that these headphones are right now on Blackview's website. They also come in 2 different colors, the black and the red. They are such a quality headphone. It actually blows my mind that they are only $40 right now. So check the link in the description below if you want to pick up your own. Now on to my wife's thoughts. Internet, wife, internet. Gil, so what did you think about the FitBuds 1?
Well, it's one of the only pairs of earbuds that actually fit into my ears. If it wasn't for the small piece that we were able to put on, I wouldn't have been able to use them.
I called that a nipple. Nipples.
Oh, I don't think I'll call it that. You called this a nipple?
Yeah, I didn't know what to call it.
The hook also worked really well because this was like an added piece that was able to keep it in my ear when I was running because my ear canals are super small. Okay.
All right, come here. I'll take this one. I'll take this one.
Okay. So, yeah, so that worked well. The hook was... I've never actually had a pair of earbuds that had a hook like this.
So, comfort level 1 through 10.
They were comfortable. Earbuds in general I struggle with for safety when I have 2 in fully. So that I can't, because I can't.
All right, no hitting. Come on. Here, look at the camera.
I know. Comfort level was good. Can I just say it was good?
Comfort level was good.
And it stayed around, with this around my neck, it stayed on my shoulder when I ran with just one, that's how I am for road safety.
Okay, perfect. Comparatively from these to every other pair of... Wow. Comparatively from these earbuds to every other pair of earbuds I have ever gotten and allowed you to use, how would you rank these?
I'd rank them number 1 because of the hook, quite honestly.
Okay, number 1. You heard it here.
Push it in.
That's what she said.
I know, these are too small for my big ears. Yeah, we're being beckoned by children, so watch another video about more headphones. Thanks for watching the review. Gil, thanks for running with them so I don't have to.
Yeah, these are dope.
Bye.